Hello everyone, myself Tanu Nagar from MSc first semester. My presentation topic is definition, concept, history and scope and applications of biosystematics. Firstly, what is the definition of biosystematics? Biosystematics is the classification of living things based on their evolutionary relationships. The science of systematics involves putting living things into categories based on their evolutionary relationship. मतलब कि वो लोग एक दूसरे से कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट। बायोसिस्टमेटिक्स को हम सिंपली ऐसे जानते हैं कि द स्टडी ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी एंड इट्स ओरिजिन. इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ आर्ट एज मच एज अ साइंस. इन ब्रॉडर सेंस हम कह सकते हैं कि साइंस थ्रू विच ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर डिस्कवर्ड, आइडेंटिफाइड, नेम्ड एंड क्लासिफाइड with their diversity, phylogeny, spatial and geographical distributions. Now, history of biosystematics. The history of biosystematics is divided into three parts: pre-systematics, proto-systematics, or scientific systematics. In pre-systematics, it begins the history of whole classification. It is the characteristic community of primitive people, and it is also represented by folk systematics. Now, proto-systematics. Proto-systematics are the ideal or global rather than local. Proto-systematics has three main stages: antique, scholastic, era. Antique consists of genus, species, difference, etc. Scholastic, realism, nominalism, conceptualism, rationalism, etc. Herbal, descriptive systematics है. Scientific systematics begin to develop together with modern science. The main point is the rational understanding and learning of nature from its point of view in universal natural law organizing. Scientific systematics is also divided into two parts: scholastic or post-scholastic. Scholastic consists classification of organism is based on the logical generic species scheme. Example, lineage. Post-scholastic involve desire to classify organism not by few essential properties but by totality of their variations characteristics. Now, fourth is modern systematics. It involves phonetics and numerical systematics. Now, scope of biosystematics. It helps in the better understanding life forms which is present on the biosphere. It helps in the identification, classification and nomenclature of organism. It helps in classifying organisms into their respective kingdoms based on their phylogenetics. Systematics is the study of diversity of an organism on the basis of evolutionary relationship. Biosystematic is it also gathers and studies the diverse range of plant and animals by classifying them on variations pattern. Now, applications of biosystematics. First point is in biodiversity and conservation. Approx 1 million species of plant animals and 0.5 million species of plant have been identified, described by taxonomists during last 230 years approx. In the field of agriculture and pest management, it plays an important role in the management of crop pests and biological means. In fisheries, in order to find edible fishes or edible varieties of aquatic organisms, taxonomist help can be sought for better prospects. Thank you.